about education is that it's a holistic approach where we can teach students not only the curriculum but the values, the beliefs, and their abilities to enhance for future, and then they can grow. I started my career. At that time I was not at all motivated about it, but it was one profession that I liked to have. And then later when I continue this, I realized that yes, it's a huge and vast area of something that you can teach, you can develop, you can give to others, and you can learn a lot on daily basis. They have the opportunities to explore the world, the digital world, as well as the physical. If they are not physical, they can use digital world to explore their education. I think it would be a brighter future than previous, because we have now we have the dual system of teaching and learning as well. We have physical learning system, we have digital learning system. We cannot sit and say that we need to go somewhere to learn something. We can learn from our own places, at our own desks, and we can reach the world. Our future is in their hands. Well, I would prefer to be in armed forces because I want to serve my country. I have to achieve something if I would be able to change the curriculum, change the system of education, and where I can see each and every child of my country is in education, then that would be my achievement. Otherwise, I am still struggling. I have not achieved at least. Okay, I'm a very good chef. I am really interested in cooking as well. Most of the people are, but I think I am the person that can adopt things very quickly.